garden tour, starting of course with a cat. You can see right there, the cat is walking past my blueberry bush. Mint is coming in nicely, like it always does. There's some of my lilies. Wee pond, haven't seen fish in a couple days. I'm worried the frogs ate them. Yarrow, there's my strawberry. There's kale gone to seed. Nothing past that. Lettuce going to seed. Both of my grapevines have come back from last year, very tickled. There's a grapevine there. In the process of changing out the blocks. There's a rose with some garlic, came back from the root. I've got lots of radish gone to seed. That's what this is right here. Lovely lily coming in. I think those are volunteer potatoes right there. That is a bottle tree that right now has a lot of radish seed on it also, and it's it's going to have there's my rhubarb also, maypop, passion flower, and then here's the center. The roses have done really nicely this year. These are miniature roses from Kroger.